Customer support is one of the easiest jobs to automate with AI right now. Imagine an AI agent that can instantly reply to customers, handle support queries, and even create tickets automatically. And the best part? You can build it without coding. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to create your own AI support agent using CoSupport.ai. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create and configure your own AI support assistant. Step 1. Head over to CoSupport.ai and create a new agent. Give it a name, your company name or anything that fits your brand. Step 2. This is where you train your AI. You can either connect an existing knowledge base or create a new one. Scrape your website, upload PDFs, add FAQs, or import tickets from tools like Zendesk or Freshdesk. For this demo, we're uploading a PDF, and the AI automatically learns from it. Step 3. Choose how your AI operates. Use the prompt builder for a guided setup or write prompts manually. Select your role, support, sales, or custom, and you're good to go. Step 4. Pick your channel, chat or email. Set the tone, casual, professional, or custom, and choose response length. This keeps your AI aligned with your brand voice. Step 5. Decide what happens when the AI can't help. Escalate to a human, collect user details, forward to email, or end with a custom message. Step 6. You can create custom triggers based on what customers say. For example, if someone mentions refund, the AI automatically kicks off a refund workflow, useful for order tracking, cancellations, and more. If you don't need this yet, you can skip it. Step 7. Once your agent is ready, connect it to helpdesk by adding your subdomain and API key. This lets the AI create tickets directly in your helpdesk. Now open the playground section and start testing your AI. The AI pulls accurate answers directly from your knowledge base. You can also hit Show Sources to verify where each answer came from. Try asking for human support. You'll see a Freshdesk ticket get created instantly. The platform also gives you powerful management tools, analytics to track performance, conversations to review past chats, data source settings to manage your knowledge base, and a workflow section to edit automations. Make changes, save, and redeploy anytime. And if something doesn't work, just roll back to a previous version instantly. That's how you can create a fully functional AI support agent using CoSupport.ai. You don't need coding skills, expensive software, or a technical team to get started. If you already have product documents, FAQs, or support files, you can build your own AI assistant today and start automating customer support. If you want to feature your AI tool, mail us at collaborate@aidemos.com.